Error code 500 on your T-Mobile home internet gateway is one of the most common technical issues users encounter. This error indicates an internal server problem that prevents your gateway from completing its connection request. This error affects approximately 3 to 5% of T-Mobile home internet users each month. It most commonly occurs during peak usage hours between 6 and 10 p.m., when network traffic is heaviest, or during scheduled network maintenance windows. Error code 500 has 5 primary causes. Network congestion occurs when cell towers become overloaded. Authentication issues happen when there are problems with device registration. Outdated firmware can cause conflicts. Signal interference from physical obstructions affects connectivity. And temporary server outages on T-Mobile's back-end infrastructure can trigger this error. The first troubleshooting step is performing a basic network reset. Start by unplugging your gateway from power for exactly 30 seconds. This allows the device to fully discharge and clear any temporary errors. Then reconnect the power cable and wait 2 to 3 minutes for complete initialization. Proper gateway positioning is crucial for optimal performance. Place your gateway at the highest point in your home for better signal reception. Ensure at least 3 feet of clearance from walls and electronic devices to minimize interference. Finally, rotate the device to find the orientation that provides the strongest signal connection. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve most error code 500 issues. If the problem persists after trying these basic solutions, more advanced reset procedures may be necessary. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve error code 500, the next step is performing a factory reset. This will restore your gateway to its original settings and often resolves persistent connection issues. Locate the small reset button on the back of your gateway. While the device is powered on, press and hold this button for 10 to 15 seconds using a paperclip or similar tool. After releasing the reset button, wait 5 to 10 minutes for the gateway to completely reinitialize. The device will restart and restore all settings to factory defaults. Once your gateway has restarted, you'll need to access the admin panel to check for firmware updates. Open a web browser and navigate to 192.168.12.1, which is the default gateway address. In the admin panel, navigate to System, then Firmware Update. If an update is available, allow it to install automatically. Keeping your firmware current is crucial for preventing error code 500. Next, verify your APN settings are correct. Navigate to Advanced Settings, then Network. The APN should be set to fast.tmobile.com. Incorrect APN settings are a common cause of connection errors. To prevent future error code 500 occurrences, follow these best practices. Regular monitoring and maintenance will keep your connections stable and reliable. If error code 500 persists after these advanced troubleshooting steps, it's time to contact T-Mobile support. Reach out, especially if you experience multiple daily errors or complete service outages.